Hello and welcome to day 23 of the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Dr. Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jane.
We're puzzle and brain training authors, but here we are simply trying to solve the calendar. And yesterday we discovered that our clue for today should be behind the weather vane.
Behind the weather vane.
Day 23. Series 16 in 2023 was one of the closest ever. No contestant won more than 30% of the tasks.
I wonder if we're going to be doing anything with these stats or if these are just fun facts.
Day 23 bonus, we'll come back to that.
Oh no, can we see it now?
All right.
Okay, they're always fun. What's it say?
Yes, well, it might refer to the task we haven't read yet, but bounce as many baubles as possible in one hand. Most baubles bounce for 10 seconds wins. I mean, it depends how big your baubles are.
Game on.
So to speak. Day 23.
23.
Alex has decorated the Taskmaster's tree incorrectly. Alex. Reorder the decorations. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. And here's the tree, and inside is the room is just another picture of Greg's, I don't know, worship room or library or dressing room or something. Ah, he's decorated the baubles incorrectly. Is that what it said? I should probably have not just so casually thrown that card away. Alex has decorated the tree incorrectly. Reorder the decorations. You have until tomorrow. It's surely an anagram of G-R-E-N-D, which I actually don't know what that would be. Grend?
Well, let's have a look for some decorations first or something else.
Maybe there's some other decorations.
These lights, I remember, were on the back of the calendar.
I also remember they were hung here as well.
There's these lights up here, which seem to be lit up, but maybe that's not special.
What's that doing there? It's just stuck.
Oh, surprise.
But there's also a Christmas tree here.
There is a Christmas tree there. Let's go back on the front. I think we must be looking for these baubles or something somewhere, or...
I don't think they're there, though. There's a tree here. It doesn't have those colours
like
on. We've slightly destroyed this now, and we can look on the sides of the calendar as well, but I don't think there's anything we haven't... Oh, there's a tree here.
There is a tree there. Ooh, should we look in the tree?
Yeah, maybe. Perhaps that's relevant. Perhaps we need to work out the order they are here.
Let's find out if we're in trouble or not.
I'm just trying to open this.
We've opened a couple of things that we weren't meant to open. Careful.
Feels like you're just opening all the doors now.
Yeah, fair enough.
I mean, to be fair, that was relevant.
We absolutely are.
I don't think there's a tree in any of the rooms, is there?
I can't see any
Let's
other
have a
baubles.
look at the tree again. So what I have just noticed, which I didn't notice before, is only these lights are coloured. Is that relevant?
Well, that's what I was looking at with the back.
If we
But
do
that's a good point.
yellow, blue, red. Red, I saw we could anagram red. Purple is G-R. Red, green, I think. It's like the colours of Christmas. Red, green. Oh, ha ha ha. Look what I've just seen. There's a red, green. And this is the door we accidentally opened, which now I think about it.
Well done.
I've just remembered it was day 24.
Oh, yes.
We opened this earlier by accident because we thought that was an egg.
I think it is an egg.
I think it's an egg too. I think they've joyfully put an egg in there,
That's
forgotten that it was the answer to a puzzle.
Crucially, the last day. But brilliantly, we'd forgotten anyway that was day
correct.
24.
Well, we'll come back tomorrow on Christmas Eve to solve that puzzle and hopefully you'll join us.
See you
Until
there.
then, bye-bye.
Bye.